All right, guys, we're here, Christmas Eve. We're gonna cook a pig. I'm gonna show you it right now. All right, underneath that sheet right there is a beautiful, beautiful pig. About 30-pound pig. We're gonna be cooking for about 8 hours, and I'll show you the special box here in a second. Look at that puppy. The whole pig. Of course, all the guts have been taken out of it. Still got a few pieces in there. Kidneys. Did he take them out? No, he took them out. Little brains in there.
You want brains or brains in there?
Go straight to that, baby. It's all been seasoned with a nice garlic, salt, pepper, cumin mix too.
Yeah, that's cumin.
And a little bit of lemon over the skin. Yeah, delicious. There's the master cook right there. Alright guys, so here we are rubbing down the pig with some sour oranges. It just helps flavor the skin even more. We've already done like a salt rub and cumin garlic rub on the skin. And we have some racks here that we put on the pig, or we put the pig in, so that we can easily move it whenever it's in like a Lechona, which is the cooking apparatus that we use for this. It's basically like an above ground Hawaiian way of cooking. You know how the Hawaiians dig a hole, put palm leaves on top, and put a whole bunch of charcoal above it. Well, this is just the above ground way of doing it. With my family, this is a big family event. We have multiple people coming in and eating. We have a very decent sized pig here that fed roughly 30 people. And then here's the charcoal. Place it on top here, cover it in some lighter fluid, and then we light this bad boy up, and it creates like a convection oven type thing. The heat goes through the metal and into the box, and it heats up the pig and cooks it up real nice. So here we are lighting the charcoal, getting some big flames going. Just showing you right here how it looks. We wait for that charcoal to get down to almost looking like ash, to where it's really heated up well, and we don't add any more lighter fluid after this. After that, we just use the ash to light the charcoal that we add onto it to keep the cook going. That heat gets in that oven pretty well, and it's just helps cook that pig really good. So there you go, there's a good picture of what we're looking for. No more flames, really, just a good ash. Make sure you hit that like button for me. Really appreciate it. Trying to build up the likes, trying to build up the following. Really appreciate the support. And I'm going to have a lot more of these videos coming out. So here we are getting ready to put the pig in the oven, or like a Lechona. And then you can see it goes in pretty easy, goes on a rack there as well. We have like a little pan underneath to catch the juices of the pig. And put that lid back on it. Try to make sure it's nice and secure and no vapor coming out of it. And it does for the most part. And then sometimes you got to add some foil to the edges so that you can help seal the box a little bit better. But for the most part, it stays in there, the vapors stay in there, and it really cooks that pig really good. So then this is what we do for lunch. We cut up some pig skin with a little bit of belly meat on it, and we fry them up. We make what we call chicharrones, or maybe pork rinds is something that you're familiar with. But this one has the meat on it still, and it just makes for really good. And here we go, the Cuban tradition, a cigar while we're cooking this thing. And then here's some good pictures of the pig. This is after about 6 hours of cooking. We haven't flipped it over yet to toast the skin, but you can see it's really cooked really well. And there's the finished product. There's that flavorful meat right there. Alright guys, that's the end of the cook. It was really good, really juicy, really flavorful, fall off the bone. Just amazing. We followed that with some yuca, with some congri,
and with some other amazing Cuban sides that we like to have every Christmas Eve. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my channel. I got multiple cooks. I got a lot of smoking meats video. I got some installs on some F-150s that I purchased, and I'm just doing some home installs on things and some customizations that I really like. I really hope y'all enjoy this stuff, and like I always say, y'all stay blessed.